What's up, guys? Welcome to my garage and welcome to the last episode of how to install a stereo on my 181. The stereo is on, everything is working, sound is decent, the stereo has every function and they all work properly. It is not rocket science, but I would say this: if you would pick a stereo with as many functions as I picked, you better have a little bit of an understanding on how circuitry works, because there was too many wires involved on it, and routing it through the car so that it looked like it was supposed to be was quite a task. All that said, the procedure pretty much is the same for every stereo. If you pick a simpler one, just music, it should be much easier. This one has a reverse camera, it's got a satellite antenna, it's got a microphone, all the stuff that I showed you in past videos. So it took a little while to route all those wires and make it work properly. Enjoy the video. I hope you enjoyed the series. Give me a like, follow the channel, and let me know if it was useful for you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.